In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a customer from Stan Store. So to start, you're going to log into your Stan Store. This will be your dashboard. You'll end up on home. And what you do is you click on customers in the left-hand menu. So here you can see your customers. I create a few test accounts just to show you how this works. So what you do to delete a customer is click on that customer, and then you can see all of the details about the customer when they signed up, what they have bought, all of that, if they haven't bought anything. So to delete a customer, you click on the three dots right up here, and then you can either edit customer or click delete customer. So to do this, you would click the red delete customer button. And you cannot undo this, so you want to be sure that you want to delete a customer. But if you've been getting spam or someone that you just want to get out of your database, you would click delete customer. And then they are deleted and you are good to go. So that's all you do to delete a customer from your Stan Store. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe to Create with Pennies for more videos on Stan and watch this one next.